If you're getting the 400 bad request error in GetResponse and don't know what to do, don't worry. In this video, we'll break down why this happens, how to fix it, and offer some alternatives that might better suit your needs. Stick around till the end because we've got some insider info on how to get the best free trials for tools that could save you time and frustration. The 400 bad request error usually pops up when there's something wrong with the request you're sending to GetResponse, whether it's from a broken URL, incorrect headers, or a miscommunication between GetResponse and your browser. But let's dive into exactly how to fix it. First thing to check is your internet connection. It may seem obvious, but sometimes a weak or intermittent connection can cause this error. Restart your router or switch to a different network to see if that resolves the issue. Next thing, clear your browser cache and cookies. Over time, these can pile up and interfere with how websites load. Clearing them gives your browser a fresh start, which might fix the 400 error. The third thing, and this is critical, is to verify the URL. If you're using custom links, double check that everything is correct. A small typo can cause a 400 error, so take a moment to confirm that the URL is valid and matches the link GetResponse is expecting. Next, ensure that your browser is up to date. Sometimes, outdated browsers can cause issues with modern websites, including GetResponse. An update might resolve the problem instantly. The fifth thing to try is disabling any browser extensions, especially those that affect web requests, like ad blockers or privacy tools. These can sometimes block or interfere with the request sent to GetResponse. Try disabling them temporarily to see if that solves the issue. And here's the most important part. Check your GetResponse account settings. Sometimes the issue is tied to incorrect account settings or issues on GetResponse's end, so make sure your account is in good standing and that you're not exceeding any usage limits. If none of that works, you might need to contact GetResponse support. They have a great team that can help troubleshoot further, especially if it's a more complex issue with your account or server. Now, let's talk about something crucial. If you're still dealing with these kinds of errors regularly, it might be worth looking into other email marketing platforms. While GetResponse is a solid tool for many, there are others that handle technical issues more smoothly. In fact, I've got a couple of alternatives for you that come with free trials and might better align with your needs. Before we wrap up, I want to mention that we have an exclusive extended free trial available through the link in the description, giving you access to premium features on GetResponse. But remember, I've also shared some alternatives that could work better for your goal, and they also come with free trials. Through our link, you'll get the best deal, along with some exclusive benefits just for our viewers. Check out the link below and make sure you're getting the most out of your email marketing.